Hey everyone, it's Tim and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to unpack a piece of Australian music by Hunters and Collectors. It's called Imaginary Girl. It was from their album called Cut, which I don't know, it was 20 years ago or something. It's a super cool album. For those in Australia, you would know a number of songs from the album. I think Holy Grail and Throw Your Arms Around Me and some of those. Anyway, this is a lesser known one, I guess, but it's got a really cool modulation in it. I want to work out what's happening in it. You know I love modulations. I love unpacking them on this channel. So let's work out what's happening. So modulation, those of you who aren't too sure as well, is just basically a key shift during a song. And this one does a really cool thing that I want to try and work out. Let's jump into it and hear a little bit of the song. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. And let's kick it off. Here we go. All right, so we can tell this is in A major. No, it doesn't do that. It's not quite the right chord, is it? But anyway, we've got A major and E major. Pretty straightforward so far. Let's keep going. Boom, the bass line goes boom, 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 boom. I think that's what it's doing. There we go. So definitely we're very much in A major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, going to the 5 and the 6 chord, which is the F sharp minor chord. So that's all. I mean, it's a little bit unusual in how it's organized, but nothing too strange yet. So now let's zoom in. Now that we've got the key and the chord center, let's go to the actual modulation so you can hear it and let's see if we can unpack it. And the trumpet, if you remember my other video about Sting and the modulation in his song Shape of My Heart, which I'll link to below, it had a harmonica hold a high note between the two keys, and this one's got the trumpet just soaring over the top. Let's listen to it again and then we'll try and work out what's actually going on, because it is such a beautiful shift. So this is the build up to the chorus. So we're in D major. And then it should go to there. That's what you predict, and that's what actually happens later on in the song. A nice little plagal cadence, 4, 3, 2, 1. But it doesn't. We're here. We're in B major. What the hell? So we've shifted up a tone. So we were in A major and now we're in B major. We went via D major. So that's the tonic key. And then we went to this chord and we held this chord. And that's where they went to. So how is D major related to B major? Well, it's the 4 of the original key. And this is the major 2 chord of A, so we're in A major. Now the 2 chord in a major key is normally a minor chord, this one here, because D is not normally sharp. So it's gone to the supertonic major, which is B, via the D chord. And I cannot see the relationship. Who can find out what is the relationship between the D major, which helps lead us there? I'm not even sure. It doesn't seem to be all that related to me, but I'm not a theory master of theory. So let's hear that one more time, and then let's try and play it and replicate it, because it's so cool. Here we go. So this is what the trumpet kind of goes up. So, I mean, we've got the same melody. As the start, but we're up a tone higher than we were before. I just love how it got there. It's super cool. So, I don't know, does that sound cool to you? It sounds super cool to me. I've got to listen to it one more time. There it is, that trumpet. Okay, now let's work out how they get back to the original key now. So there's one other really cool aspect of this song is this walking up that it does. So that whole section, you can hear it in the bass line. And then we ended up, let's go and have a listen to that again. Here's the listen to the bass line. Walking up. And then it drops back. I really love it. I think that is so cool. And it's interesting, as it walks up, it uses, it has the A sharp, which is in B major. That's not quite, was it? Oh, so good though. All right. All right, now listen to the bass line. Oh, E. Ah, there we go. Okay, that makes more sense. So the last time it goes from here to E major, da, 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 da. And that makes a lot of sense because E is the dominant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is a perfect cadence. So getting back, they've used the tonicizing chord of E back to A, which makes sense. That's the easiest way to get back once you've gone that far away. But Oh, I don't know if you're like me, but anyway, that was super cool. So we'll put a link to the song. Go and have a listen to it. If you're not an Aussie who knows about this band, they were huge and they were so musical. Their brass section was known as the Horns of Contempt. They even had their own name, the brass section. And funny side note, the lead trumpeter and head of that section now teaches my children trumpet. So that's pretty cool. And he came on the podcast a little while ago as well. Jack Howard, if you want to look him up on my podcast. Anyway, there you go. A modulation to the supertonic major from A major. That's pretty cool. Anyway, hope you didn't get too lost, and I hope that was enjoyable for you. It was fun for me anyway. I'd love to spend some more time with you in another video. If you've got any videos that you would like me to unpack, any songs you'd like me to unpack that have cool modulations or anything in there that you think is pretty freaky or fun or beautiful or maybe not, let me know. I would love to hear from you. So leave a comment below. And yeah, if you knew the relationship between the D chord and then the B major, let me know that one too, because that's pretty unusual. Anyway, till the next video, thanks for watching. See ya.